Aloha, my wingtips are back on. My 12-point polished stainless steel mounting hardware for my CSTAT8 came in. I started to mount them. You can't use anything in Hawaii other than polished stainless steel because it will corrode over time. Doesn't matter if it's zinc, chrome, anodized black stainless steel, they'll all rust. I decided for fun to double up the ice pearl and do 2 test pieces. And the sun was just out. Oh, my wife did my recycling for last week. Anyways, when the sun comes back out, I'll take these test pieces out and we'll see how good it looks compared to the gloss Galaxy Black wrap vinyl. Okay, I used the same technique as I did in part 2. I gave it 2 coats of carbon flash, 2 coats of my custom mix, and then 2 coats of plain clear. And if I don't obscure it, I think it looks pretty good. The carbon flash is on the bottom. I think if I would have had one more jar of green ice pearl, it would have been perfect. But it's close enough to horseshoes, or 4 horseshoes. Aloha and stay safe.